Let's sing the ABC song together. La 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 la. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll, doll. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. La 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 la. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for koala, koala. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. La 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 la. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for volcano, volcano. W is for whale, whale. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zoo, zoo. La 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 la.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, say. V, W, X, Y, Z, letters in a line. Sing along, let's make it fun. Alphabet's the rhyme. A to Z we sing, every letter's king. Round and round the tune we go, the alphabet will show. A, B, C, D now, E, F, G, and then H, I, J, K, L, M. Start with vowels again. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. True. W to X makes sense. Now Y, Z with you. Sing it loud and clear. Alphabet, my dear. Every letter shines like gold, and the story's told. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. True. W to X makes sense. Now Y, Z with you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You and I, my friend, we can count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You and I, my friend, we can count to 10.
One little duck swimming in the pond, quack, quack, quack all day long. Two fluffy bunnies hopping in the sun, hop, 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 having so much fun. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Learning numbers is so easy. Sing along and clap your hands. Let's count together across the lands. 3 bright stars shining in the night. Twinkle, twinkle, what a sight. 4 colorful balloons floating in the air. Up, up, without a care. Count with me, 1, 2, 4. Learning numbers we adore. Sing along and stomp your feet. Counting is oh so sweet. 5 little puppies wagging their tails, barking happily as they chase the tails. 6 tiny ladybugs crawling on a leaf, exploring the world without any grief. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Learning numbers we adore. Sing along and stomp your feet. Counting is oh so sweet. 7 shiny apples hanging from a tree. Yum, yum, yum for you and me. 8 busy bees buzzing in the hive. Working together they thrive. Count with me, 1 through 8. Learning numbers, it's never too late. Sing along and nod your head. Counting adventures ahead. 9 colorful crayons lined up in a row, drawing pictures with colors that glow. 10 friendly turtles basking in the sun, slowly crawling, having so much fun. Colors, colors all around. Let's name them safe and sound. Learning colors 1 by 1 with each one. Let's have some fun. Red like a juicy apple, ripe and sweet. Blue like the sky where the birds tweet. Yellow like the sun, shining bright. Green like the grass, such a lovely sight. Colors, colors all around. Let's name them safe and sound. Learning colors 1 by 1 with each one. Let's have some fun. Orange like a tiger, bold and strong. Purple like grapes in a vineyard lawn. Pink like a flower, blooming in spring. Brown like a bear, cuddly thing. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's name them without a care. Learning colors as we play in our colorful worlds every day. Black like the night when stars shine bright. White like snow glistening in the light. Gray like a cloud floating in the sky. Rainbow colorful worlds flying high.